Frankie Pangilinan wrote an open letter to her father, Senator Kiko Pangilinan, on Twitter and Instagram. She is in New York attending college. She told her dad the things she had learned from him, and that she is wholly and completely proud of him. For Frankie, the senator represents hope for Filipinos. Frankie's post has been liked more than 17,000 times and retweeted over 1,300 times by followers, including her father. This is the senator's reply to his daughter.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.